Hello and welcome back. We have been seeing leaks and even official teasers about Realme's upcoming flagship phone called the Realme X2 Pro, and now the company has revealed the phone will be officially unveiled on October 15th in Madrid, Spain. As for India, it has cleared its BIS certification, Bureau of Indian Standards, indicating that the phone will be coming to India sometime soon. Along with the Realme X2 Pro, the company will also launch the Realme X2 and Realme 5 Pro, but these have already been launched in Asian market. So let's talk about the Realme X2 Pro, its specs, launch date and at what price it's expected to launch. So now, let's begin. Realme has opted for a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with a full HD Plus resolution with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The Super AMOLED screen does a great job with color reproduction, and it will also support a 90Hz fluid display. It will also be the first Realme phone to come with 50-watt Super VOOC fast charging technology that is claimed to fully charge the smartphone in just 35 minutes. The Realme X2 Pro is rumored to feature a 4000 mAh battery. Like the Realme XT, the Realme X2 Pro will also feature a 64-megapixel quad camera setup where it will use Samsung's GW1 sensor for high-res photos. The setup is consisting of a 64-megapixel primary camera, a secondary ultra-wide-angle lens with a 115-degree field of view, a telephoto lens that can shoot images with a 20x hybrid zoom, and a depth sensor for better portraits. About front camera, it's expected to feature a 32-megapixel lens. It's also confirmed to bring a set of stereo speakers with high-res audio. Current Realme X lineup does feature Dolby Atmos, but that's enabled only when you plug in the earphones. However, with the X2 Pro, you will be able to listen to enhanced audio through the speakers as well. Realme Europe has also set an event page for the phone that states the phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, and you already know what this processor is capable of. In addition to that, it will support NFC, UFS 3.0, Type-C port and in-screen fingerprint scanner. And the storage options are 6 plus 64 GB, 8 plus 128 GB and 8 plus 256 GB. And yes, this phone will run on Android 9 Pie with ColorOS 6.1 skin on top, although there is planned upgrade to Android 10. Now finally coming to the price, Realme is known to be extremely competitive when it comes to pricing, and the Realme X2 Pro is said to be the cheapest flagship of its kind. It could be priced in India around ₹30,000 mark or lower. And that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. Do consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.